Hello, good people. Hope everyone has been good. It's been a long time. It's been a really long time since I've been on this platform, and I've been getting like communication from most of you saying that why did I stop making videos, the Tonga lesson videos, right? And well, I had stopped for a while and all that, but my passion for teaching people my language was has been reignited, and it's something that I should stop making promises because I don't always keep to the promises that I make, which is really bad. But however, um I'm back. Well, not like permanently, but I'm gonna be making well, I have a better phone now, so I can make videos whenever I want to. So I'm gonna upload a video like very soon. Like I'm gonna make the video soon after this one. But then in the meantime, I'm just gonna upload this to just let you guys know that I'll be posting a video very soon. Like I'm gonna post one very soon. So one of the reasons I stopped making videos is that most of you know that I'm studying at tax at the University of Pretoria, and so we started a society this year, Tsonga Society, and we were planning on using the YouTube platform to teach people Xitsonga. However, that was not very possible because yeah, there was just a lot that needed to be done throughout the year, so we couldn't do the videos for that reason. So I had taken the ideas that I had to the society, and so I was like, whoever wants to learn will just follow the society's YouTube channel, right? So, but then now I'm back on my channel and I'm gonna be doing the videos, and I hope you guys are gonna learn from them. So please call all your friends to come and subscribe to this channel. And I haven't done this in a long time, hey. So please call all your friends who love Xitsonga to come and subscribe because I'll be doing more videos. And yeah, so as I said, I'll be doing my lesson, like my first lesson after so many years just now. So, and I hope you guys are gonna learn. So this video was inspired by a page, by an Instagram page called Swahili Everywhere, and they're doing Swahili lessons, and it's really inspiring. I was really inspired by what I saw there, and I hope that you guys are gonna be inspired also to learn other languages, including Xitsonga,